Hello, my friends. I have the most fun unboxing for you today. It is a set of goodies that was sent to me from scrapbook.com. I am an affiliate with them, and they asked if any of the affiliates would like to do a couple projects for International Scrapbook Day/week. And of course, I said yes. So let's go through it. I have peeked, but I know I'm going to be kind of like thinking of these projects like for the rest of the night. So I thought I would share with you what I will be working with to start. So I have this smart glue, and I confess I have not used it yet before, so I'm rather excited to see if this will be making its way into my repertoire. So very cool. The next thing I have, which these are so cool, they're called Vintage Type Upper. So they're stamps, cute little stamps, which are just great for putting in names and little journaling bits. So super cute. I love the vintage typewriter look, so definitely a win. So I have that. Oh, a couple little scrapbook.com stickers, cute. Then let's see. And then I'll show you collection stuff. I have this set of slimline dies, and it's slim nested ticket. And those of you who know me know I love tickets. So this was absolutely fortuitous. So looking forward to using it, to have pattern with pattern with pattern. And I keep looking at this like that would be such a fantastic title block. Although you could have it this way with photos coming out this way too. I don't know what I'm going to do, but that's awfully cool. The next thing I have is this great stencil. It's called Floral Sprigs. And this is an exclusive. Actually, all of these are from scrapbook.com. They're all exclusive to scrapbook.com. So it's called Floral Sprigs, and it's really making me think I might want to do a little bit of inking and make a background. Just on some white basil or something like that, because I'm kind of excited about the idea. It seems pretty darn nifty. So thinking about doing that with this gorgeous floral. We will see. I have a really fun floral photo I'm thinking of using. Now for the collection I'll be using, it is the Simple Stories Bunnies and Blooms, and it's cute and sweet and season appropriate and all that kind of stuff. So let's go one by one and I'll show you what I have here. So it's all bunnies and blooms, right? And this one is called Journal Elements. So we have some cute little Easter eggs and a flower and great places to write your journaling. Great. Little birdie. And we have a nice big journaling spot. This piece right here would be so great for a 3x4 photo if you want to have another pattern to work with. Really nice bright daffodil yellow. Cute little, look at the cute little Easter bunny. He's so cute. And spring favorites, you can check them off. So all of the goodness with lots of different patterns. I think that's awesome. Look at this really nice, deep, deep mustard color. And the back side, which I think is beyond adorable, are all these really sweet pastel rainbows. And they're kind of cool because they're not like in a perfect straight line. It's a bit more movement with it. So super cute with that. Then the next one I have, it is called Bunny Love. So gorgeous mid-tone light blue, somewhere between blue and cornflower blue. And I love this bunny right here that's kind of giving a little side eye to the other bunnies. I find that to be kind of hilarious. And they have different little bow ties going on. They're pink, and we've got kind of like a green, aqua, black, floral bits. Super cute. And the back side is the perfect spring plaid. Spring, Easter, all of the good things. Really great plaid. All right, next I have one called Egg Hunt. So lots of Easter eggs decorated the way I wish my Easter eggs would actually look. So super beautiful, all kinds of different patterns. In the back side is a gorgeous, gorgeous orchid, and I love this. So I have to find a way to be able to use bits of all of these background papers or pattern papers. So orchid background and kind of wonky circles. You can see they kind of look like scribbled in white. So super, super pretty. I'm going to bring my light just a little closer. There we go. Let me put my little stickers up here. Then we have, this one is called Garden Party. So it's bringing in a little bit more of the spring, not so much Easter. Although, I mean, you could definitely detail cut those pieces out and run with it. So very sweet, lots of spring icons. Those are adorable. It reads daisies. My Shasta daisies have not bloomed yet, so can't get a picture of them yet. And here's that really, really deep mustard. And the flower bits are that nice pale pink that is in the collection. Very, very sweet. A little bit more depth of color there. The next one is called Scattering Seeds. So bright daffodil yellow, really nice little pink centers, and they're not all in a line. They're absolutely scattered. Awesome. And the back side has all of these seed packets with everything to do with seeds and flowers and cute, pretty stuff. And once again, they're not like in straight rows. So it's really kind of interesting. It's got more of a, dare I say, organic vibe to it because, you know, seeds. All right. And then finally, my last paper I'll be using, it is called Choose Happy. So gorgeous aqua background with daffodils and tulips and happy things. And then the back side is a really nice, slightly larger gingham, but it's just pink and white. And then for the embellishments to go with this happy little pack of goodness, I have the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. And these are so awesome because you can get massive traction with them. They've got tiny words. We've got a great border. And you have title words, icons, little beautiful bits and pieces that you can tuck into your clusters. So super easy to use. I am loving these little tabs. I like to stick those on the sides of layouts or photo clusters and all of that. Look at that cute little bird. So cute, so cute. And I do have, I think I'm going to end up doing our Easter egg hunt pictures. And I have, you know, with the Easter goodies. I just love his little face. So cute. Oh, and there's my friend with the side eye. Okay, I have that. Then next, I have some of my chipboard pieces are rolling around in here and they are taking off, but it is the chipboard sticker set. So really nice chipboard. We have spring and the little bonnets and oh, look at that nice title. That is gorgeous. So I have different dimensional elements that I can use that I love. And then finally, and I couldn't be more excited about this if I tried, I have the foam stickers from the Bunnies and Blooms collection. So I have two different sides to work with. So lots of title stuff as well. So I have bloom on this. I have the word spring on this, but then I have Easter and love, spring and bloom again, but in different colors. How awesome is that? Let's see. Little egg and carrot. And those beautiful decorated Easter eggs. We have a nice basket. This reads Happy Easter. So let's go on a hunt. How cute is that for an Easter egg hunt? And love grows here. And then these gorgeous daffodils and sweet floral spring goodies. So that is what I will be working with while I create for scrapbook.com during International Scrapbook Day, week. It should be month. Shouldn't it be month for us crafters? I'm not quite sure. So I'm very excited to get started. I wanted to open it for you right away so I can kind of start getting familiar with it and test some things out and go from there. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I also have my affiliate link down below. So if you choose to go through it, it will not charge you anymore, but it will help to support my channel. So I'll have that and all of the other goodies down below as well. You know how to get to scrapbook.com and all that kind of stuff. Okay, that's it for today, friends. We'll see you. Bye-bye.